In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a transfer between accounts in QuickBooks online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move money between your accounts in a way that keeps your books clean and easy to reconcile. First, open Google Chrome and log into QuickBooks Online. Chrome is the recommended browser because it tends to run QuickBooks more smoothly and reliably. If you ever notice things loading slowly, a quick refresh or clearing your cache can help. But for most people, simply signing in and opening your company file is all you need. Before you create the transfer, take a moment to identify the two accounts involved. Ask yourself which account the money is leaving and which account is receiving it. Common examples include moving cash from checking to savings or sending money from a checking account to pay down a credit card. Getting the direction right matters. If you flip them, your balances will be off. It also helps to use the exact account names you see in your chart of accounts so you pick the correct ones from the list later. Now create the transfer. Look for the plus new button near the top of your screen. Click it, then choose transfer. This form is designed specifically for moving money internally, so it's much cleaner than using an expense or a deposit for the same purpose. On the transfer screen, enter the key details. Type in the total amount of the transfer. Then select the account the funds are coming from and the account they're going to. Set the date to match the date the money moved at the bank, which helps your bank feed match the transaction automatically later. If there's a memo field, feel free to add a short note like monthly savings transfer or payment to credit card, so anyone reviewing your books understands the purpose. If you use attachments for documentation, this is a good place to add a receipt or confirmation, though it's optional. Double check the amount and the direction one more time. A quick review here can prevent duplicate or reversed entries. When everything looks right, save the transfer. Use save and close if you're done, or save and new if you have more transfers to enter. That's it. The movement of funds is now recorded accurately between your accounts. To recap, you logged in with Chrome, identified the correct from and to accounts, opened the transfer form from the plus new button, entered the amount and date, and saved. Keep your dates aligned with the bank and your account selections precise, and your transfers will match up cleanly during reconciliation.